Oh my god! I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Weird. What's up, guys? It is day 120. Originally, we started this this channel with the goal of hitting 20 days, and we did more than that. And I don't see any sign of stopping yet. We enjoy doing it. Hopefully, you guys enjoy watching it. Yeah, beautiful day out here today. We first thing this morning we went and put a dock in. I got some video of that.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no.
Right now I'm trying to get this old girl fired up. This forklift is probably older than my freaking grandfather. The old inline 6. So gas engine, got that. So what I'm doing now is I went to the parts place. If you saw my other video, I was trying to get spark plugs. Coil pack. I got the coil from a different place because that kid was an idiot, but he sourced the plugs for me. But the plugs are wrong. Go figure. So for now, to get this running, I'm going to do a ghetto spark plug rejuvenation. I've done this before in the past with plenty of machines, and this old carbureted thing should be fine. I just take super fine grit sandpaper and then just run it along the diode and the underneath there. I don't know if you can see that. Just so you can clean up any of the old gunk. It needs plugs. I'm gonna have to get plugs. But for now, we just give it a good cleaning so that there's good contact all over. On both sides, flip it over and hit both sides. And we just give it a little squirt, clean it up. There's a lot of oil in the cylinders of this engine. I don't know how this thing was running before, but it's not perfect. It'll work. So I've done 3. I'm gonna do 3 more. That's suddenly you don't want to screw in there now. They're so shallow. Like, the problem with these inline 6s is the cylinder head is like so shallow, so there's no room for error, which is weird that they put an engine like this in something that requires so much torque, because there's no room for combustion. Okay, what's going on here? What's going on here? Why are you not going back in? There we go. There we go. So you guys can't really see what I'm doing, but spark plugs are in here. Inline 6. Change the coil pack out. Hopefully it works. I might have to tweak the distributor a little bit. Just to get it to run good, but I mean, we used this last fall and it ran like a bag of bricks, so anything will be better. than what it was. All right, it's 3 down. I'm gonna hit the other 3 and then we'll try it.
Woke up this morning with the sun shining bright. Grab the camera, everything feels right. Coffee on the porch, wind in your hair. We're living life, no script, just a pair. We're capturing moments, both big and small. From the highs to the lows, we share it all. With every sunrise, we hit that record. Every day's a story we can't afford to ignore. And every day, just press record.
Air filter off. Okay. We're gonna hit it with the old quick start. See if she fires up.
Sharing our love, what we're living for. From the kitchen to the back porch swing, we're telling our story, doing our thing. On YouTube, we're making memories. Vlogging together, just you and me. From the morning light to the stars at night, we're capturing moments in the soft moonlight.
Maybe the spark plugs is a bit
Well,
take them off.
I took them off. I cleaned them up, but I ordered new ones, but they gave me the wrong fucking ones. And I had to change the coil. The coil wasn't putting the signal out.
You have a small torch. They might be kind of. It's not enough tight enough.
They're not tight enough?
Not tight enough. When you get them to the first, is the socket, or they are just full stuff. Have you got a small torch?
No.
Propane torch or whatever?
Not small, no.
Uh,
What are you thinking?
Well, our lighter weight torch.
Oh, in the cylinder?
No. I want to do the spark plugs because they are so wet that the electricity doesn't spark at the top. So
Oh,
I just do that.
lighter. All right, well, one of the boaters is a mechanic. He's gonna help me out. All right, well, we got it running. So that's a good thing. Thank God one of the boaters here is a mechanic who dealt with the inline flathead 6, because I had no freaking clue. So he helped me out, tuned it up. It's great. Perfecto. The plugs are wrong, however, so I called. I'm gonna go swap them out tomorrow. And then it'll be running even better on good plugs. So he helped me. Now I'm gonna go help him real quick, get something off his boat. And then I'm gonna drag the compressor over, air up the tires, get the wrap off it, and get ready to rock. All right, well, got it running, got the tires pumped up. I'm gonna climb up, take that off. We're gonna actuate it all, get all the fluids moving, and see how that goes.
Laughing and talking, just being real. Behind the camera, our hearts we reveal. From road trips to the everyday grind, we're showing the world what we've got inside. We don't need a script or fancy plans, just press record and take my hand. Vlogging every day, just press record. Sharing our love, what we're living for. From the kitchen to the back porch swing, we're telling our story, doing our thing. On YouTube, we're making memories. Vlogging together, just you and me. The ups and the downs, the highs and the lows, we're capturing.
All right. She's old, but she works very good. So now I'm gonna roll up the tarp, the tarp that was over top of it. Oh, there. We're gonna roll up the tarp and then put the compressor away, and then move some trucks around and get the excavator going next. So we'll see. All right, so change of plans. Don't necessarily need the excavator right away. I just checked my list. I need this boat. This is our shop boat. So I'm gonna get it uncovered, cleaned out. I think it's probably full of water. A little bit. Okay, I'm gonna get it cleaned out, battery in it, get it started. I'm gonna launch it and dock it for tomorrow or Thursday. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, well, I gotta bail some water out because it's full of water. And then I'm gonna pull the covers, put a battery on it, and see what happens.
Every laugh, every tear, in this world we're building, there's nothing to fear. Vlogging every day, just press record, sharing our love, what we're living for. From the kitchen to the back porch swing, we're telling our story, doing our thing. On YouTube, we're making memories, vlogging together, just you and me. So hit that record, let the camera roll. Every day with you fills up my soul. We're vlogging together, come along for the ride.
Well, she's rough, but she's a good boat. I dragged the tarp away, swapped the battery. For some reason, left the battery in there all winter. Don't know why, but I'm gonna do that and then I'll check back. Anyways, so I didn't get the boat finished because I didn't realize it was almost 4:30. I'm gonna launch the boat and get it all running, ready for tomorrow to move the barge. But I ran out of time.
I mean, I could have kept going, but I figured you were
No, I just
done at 4.
I need to start earlier, so once the mornings start getting brighter a little earlier, I'll fucking start working earlier. But anyways, so you guys saw a bit of what I did today. Thank God for that Frenchman come out and help me get the forklift running, because I would have never been able to do it. He comes, he starts pouring things in there, lighting it on fire, taking apart the distributor, turning it, cranking it, and it runs better than it did last year. So
Why the frick was the light shut on fire?
I don't know. It was flooded, so he took all the spark plugs out. Idiot. Took all the spark plugs out and then lit all the cylinders on fire with a torch. So they're like shooting fucking flames at the cylinder heads. I don't care. It worked. Anyways. So tomorrow, you guys can, we got some cool shit to do tomorrow. Basically the boat that I was unwrapping, we're gonna go, we have a big steel barge that we put the excavator on. And we gotta go bust up a beaver dam. So, beaver dam is like built out to where one of our slips is. So we gotta bust it out and kind of dredge it back a little bit. What'd you do today?
That sounds terrifying. Did it sure. Bust ass all day.
Nice. Now we're gonna go home and have dinner. I don't know how much footage I have, so I'm not gonna say goodbye yet. We might have to record a little more, but she won't record during the day, guys. So like, you're stuck with my shit.
It's not that I won't, I just don't like being on camera for one. And it's too hard.
Yeah, well, I imagine like it's hectic recording with two of us there.
If I had like a GoPro or whatever, like whatever the hell I just said, GoPro,
Girl, bro.
like we talked about before, to like just have it constantly recording would be different, but like that involves a lot of editing.
I mean, I would do that to change it up. If you want to wear a GoPro for the day, just wear it on your, like a chest mount or something. You know, just do like a POV of your day, time lapse the whole thing. You don't even need to talk.
I'm trying to look and see.
Just make sure when you run the GoPro, you're not like looking at my dick pics or something, because Sometimes I don't watch the whole thing when I edit it. I just kind of sift.
I mean, I'm not gonna have it on while I'm sitting in the car waiting for orders, because that's weird. And that's the only time I look at my phone besides the Instacart orders. It was actually a pretty busy day today. It was good. Some people are just ridiculous. 6 grocery bags of heavy shit, no freaking tip into an apartment building. Like, that just blows my mind.
Yeah. People are ignorant as fuck when it comes to Instacart.
And then they get some orders where, like, one order I took, I'm assuming the lady had cancer. It's probably not proper of me to assume that, but anyways, she put in her delivery notes to leave them as close to the door as possible because she can't lift heavy things. So when I got there, she was already at the door, and she just asked me to set them inside the door. And she's like struggling to drag the cases of water, and I'm like, do you need a hand? Like, I don't mind. I can, like, her kitchen counter was right inside the door, so I could put the boxes up on the counter. She said, oh, that would be so wonderful. She's like, most of the drivers just leave it on the porch and just walk away. Nobody ever makes the extra effort. Like, it literally takes me 2 more steps to put it inside your door, so, and I don't mind. And then she increased my tip from $20 to $25.
There you go. Keep making the extra effort. You know, it takes one person to change the world, right?
But that order was so easy. This is the simplest things. Like, not even that bad. And they took $25 for that. The other person orders half the grocery store and doesn't tip nothing. And expects you to carry it up 67 floors into an apartment building.
I can't stand people that use Instacart and don't tip. So, like, if you watch this and you shop with Instacart and you don't tip your drivers, you're a scumbag.
Especially, like, you gotta think about it, like, these Instacart drivers are on a schedule, for one. Especially if it's, like, a multi-order. If I wasn't stubborn and She-Man, I could not have carried all that stuff by myself. Plus, there was a case of Gatorade that was out of stock, thank F. Like, I would have had to make 2 trips go up and down that apartment building by myself. Like,
yeah.
How do people not think that? Oh, this is just one human person delivering my groceries.
We definitely got to get you a wagon. I've been on the hunt for one, so we'll get you a wagon, get you fixed up.
It would have come in so handy for that one specific order. Like, I was 6 2-liter bottles of pop. That alone is so heavy. Plus 2 big jugs of orange juice, bag of milk. Those bags alone were so heavy I could barely carry them. I did. Plus another 4 bags of groceries. Like, thank God there was a dude in there mopping the floor. He opened the doors for me, because I would have had to put my stuff down every single time. But, like, that doesn't always happen. I just don't understand why people are so inconsiderate. Like, don't think of that.
Yeah.
You're ordering groceries because you don't want to go to the store. Sure, I get we're getting paid, but, like, be courteous.
So, we have to do, side note, we got to do boat inspections now. Like, for the boats that are on land. Because the marina down the road from us, farther away from town than us, found homeless people living in their boats.
Oh, cool.
So I went through each boat today and, like, cut a hole in it and kind of peeked in, you know? Like,
That's fun.
I mean, it's smart. I would do it. So you gotta think it's completely, like, sheltered.
You can imagine the bathrooms in those things after winter months. Ooh.
Yeah.
Or just a stench alone. Like, those poor people's boats would be so gross.
Yeah, I don't know too much info about it. Luckily, we didn't have any issues, but we're putting all our boats in the water soon. And then the few stragglers that we have are getting scrapped. So if you're looking for a boat in Kingston, let me know. It's got to be picked up, and it's got to be quick, because if not, I'm crushing it with the excavator and getting rid of it. So we have a sailboat, 2 sailboats. And if anybody's actually interested, let me know in the comments, because I'll make a video about them, showing you a tour of them and everything. If you want them, they're fucking free. Come get them. So, yeah. We're going to go home and eat some dinner. And maybe record some more. Get her in the video, because most of the day is just me doing random shit. Like, installed a dock, repaired a forklift, took some tarps off a boat. Yeah.
I said groceries in a cart and drove and delivered them.
It's good though. Like, I feel so good after like a good hard day work, you know? Your muscles feel sore, but they're fucking, like, those tarps are heavy.
It's nice when the days are like busy, like to an extent, because like by 8 o'clock tonight I'm gonna be ready for bed. But normally in the daytime when it's slow and I'm sitting around waiting for orders, I'm getting so bored and I'm so tired. Like I kept going all day today that I'm like not ready to crack it.
Yeah. Do you know how hard it was for me to not stop what I was doing to go finish that damn dock that I was building? Because like that was my plan today to do, but we have docks coming. So we needed the forklift running, so that took priority over everything. Dock's just sitting there with the wood ready to go. I just need to... And then after I get the forklift running, tomorrow, because it's going to be a shitty wet day, we're planning on just doing the shitty wet day stuff, which is like barge excavating stuff, so I gotta wear old clothes tomorrow because it's going to be a nasty one.
So your work clothes that you're supposed to wear to work, but you don't.
Yeah, but I gotta bring like a change of clothes because I have a feeling I'm gonna end up in the water. Like.
So you're gonna have frostbite and when I hypothermia.
Frostbite?
Hypothermia.
The water's not that cold.
It just thawed out like a week ago.
It's not that cold. We're in there doing the docks and stuff. It's alright.
We'll see tomorrow. He's in the water. He says the water was not that cold. I'll be ready to pick you up with the heat blasting. So,
I think I mentioned it in one of the videos today. The spark plugs that the little idiot kid at Part Source gave me were wrong. So I'm like thinking like maybe I asked for the wrong part number. But like I went and on the bill, it's the right part number. On the part, it's the wrong part number. I'm like, fucking idiot. So I called, talked to someone who was like pre-1986, thank God. He's like, yeah, that kid's a fucking moron. He's like, he doesn't know anything, but he's like the owner's grandson or some stupid shit. So he's like, I'll fix it up for you. I'll order them in from Montreal. I'll have them here tomorrow morning. I'm like, well, I appreciate it. So
they talk shit about their own.
I know. Like, wonder if Dean talks shit about me. I think he does, and then his wife smacks him in the head, like...
I don't think he does, though.
Dean, if you're watching this, talk shit about me, because we need some drama in our lives, you know? We can't be, like, well-oiled gears.
I don't think he would, though. Like, you aren't an idiot. You're not afraid to admit when you don't know how to do something. Like,
that's the biggest thing. Like, I don't say, yeah, I can do it, and then fuck it up. I literally started from there saying I don't know how to do it. Even if it's something I did know how to do, I said I didn't, so that when I did, I looked like a superstar. Yes. That's the best way to do it, for real. Don't act like you know everything. Pretend like you don't. And then if you do, maybe he's going to teach you an easier way to do what you already know. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? It makes sense, guys.
it makes sense, but like your logic behind it is like I pretended like I was an idiot, so I looked like a superstar. Like, what in the heck?
Yeah, and he even mentioned it. He's like everything you've told me you can't do, you do very well and fast. And I said, well, you know,
I can understand not like throwing all your tricks out right away, so that they like, you know, you gotta look like there's room to teach and mold, but.
I get along with everybody, and I'm easy to work with because I don't assume that I know everything. And I like that French guy came over. He's a boater. He's not even our mechanic, and he's like heard me struggling, cussing, throwing rocks at this fucking forklift, and he's like, "Oh, I can help you. Let me have a look." Blah blah blah. And the guy saved my day. Like I said, I'm like, teach me your ways, and then he starts lighting fires. I'm like, I will just stand back, do your thing. Anyways, we're gonna go home and eat, guys. We'll touch base after.
That was less serial killer, huh? No, you serial killer.
Anyways, this guy was next level. We got to get him out and run him. We're take him up to the marina and see how he does. Because I'd like to have him there with me during. I forgot my glasses. I look like fucking my brother. Anyways, I'd like to have him at the marina with me during the day, just because he could burn energy and keep the fucking geese off the docks.
I'm curious to see how he's going to react to our that walk the other day. He was afraid of puddles.
I don't know, we'll see. I couldn't sit around. Like, she made this bomb-ass pork. I hate pork and rice, but I must have just been starving, or she did a really good job cooking it, because...
No, those pork chops are perfect.
What in the motherfuck? Okay, babe, can you get the dog? Jesus, I was trying to dodge some lady on a three-wheeler coming at me in my lane.
With a freaking blind person stick.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell I was saying now. Oh, you made pork chops and rice, and it was really good. And then I was like, my eyes are getting heavy. That couch is kryptonite, man.
It's really not, though. I sit on that couch and I'm like,
no.
I just want to move.
The reclining part, it goes way back, and it's just so soft and squishy, and I almost want to sleep on that at nighttime, because I probably get a really good night's sleep.
I'd probably have a peaceful, really nice sleep, too. Having the whole bed to myself with the dogs.
So anyways, we decided we're gonna go out, get some fresh air. You know, I had fresh air all day. Take fucking Hyper for a walk. And just like spend time together, I guess. That's the thing that we should probably do once in a while.
It actually sucks that, yeah, we should. But it sucks that, like, you can't guarantee that there's nobody at the marina at night, because I think Sadie would really, really do well there. But if a random person showed up,
Yeah.
she can't be off leash there.
And like there's people there all the time, and I think my boss's daughter lives there, so
Lives at the marina.
I think so. Or she just keeps her dog there. I don't know. There's a dog there. See, that's the wagon you need right there.
Yeah. It says when you're in Walmart, it's pretty on the way.
We'll offer her a pack of cigarettes, she'll probably give it to you.
No.
Anyways, what'd you guys do today? Tuesday for you guys. It's our Monday. We actually had a super productive Monday, which is great. I don't know if you guys remember back. Back when Mondays used to be our like reset day where we didn't do shit. And then that vanished quickly.
We did do stuff. We just didn't set alarms and just kind of like let our bodies tell us when it was time to get moving.
But I actually like getting up super early, and I just need to start bringing a lunch to work, because around like 12:01 I start getting hungry. And I mean, it's probably a good thing that I'm hungry, because when I'm working I'm just burning fat, right? Essentially.
Yeah, I get really hungry around 12 too, but again, it's because we're getting up earlier. Usually we were getting up at 12. Dinner time would be like lunchtime to us.
So yeah, we'll let you guys know how the dog does at the marina.
Hard to get to know me better than the lies.
Okay.
No way I'd let you slip by.
Come on, use your brain. Forget it. Ragdoll
No
that
way
bitch.
I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I will feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by.
looking for it.
You said that you've been searching, silencing your mind. Trying to be patient, but running out of time. No way I'd let you slip by.
I thought he was going.
No way I'd let you say bye. You set the rain on me, and I just wanna understand everything that led us here. The teardrops when I hold your hand. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it
Oh, it's starting to rain.
fade away? Can we let it fade away? Take it day by day. Can we watch it fade?
Oh, God, there's twice I did that. Not even recording. Go get the geese, man. Look, there's a whole bunch of them down here. Go. Go get them. Go get them. Go. Watch them wide turns, you'll end up in the drink. It's windy, the audio is gonna be shit. My bad. Okay, go get the geese. Go see it, look. Go get it. Go. Go get it, Kane. Where's it, Kane? Kane, come on. Kane, this way. Kane, go get it. Oh my God.
Sassy ass, that boy.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, you went for a swim. You're fine.
This is why your dad doesn't like him.
I wasn't expecting him to jump off the dock. It was pretty epic. At least we know he can swim a little bit. Luckily, I
I think he would have been better at it if he was prepared for it. I don't think he realized what he was jumping into.
No, he had no idea. He just jumped in and sank, and then.
Immediately started doggy paddling.
But like, we tried to get him to do it again, and he wouldn't. So he kind of learned his lesson really quickly. So now he's throwing a fit because we locked him back there because he's soaking wet. What are you eating?
I threw a goldfish back there.
Okay.
Really looking for it. Okay.
No, that was fun. He needed that run. We needed the.
He's chewing on the oil jug.
Kate.
Hey.
He's friggin' savage, man. Anyways.
You go for a swim tank? Oh, okay. Where did that dog going in there?
Okay. Yep, you're fine. Yeah, get a Belgian Malinois. This is what you're gonna get. Don't you eat that seat. Look, he's rebelling, trying to eat the seatbelts. Dog's like a toddler. Nope.
I think that was a big puppy.
Yeah, pretty much. Anyways, we're gonna wrap this video here, guys. Hopefully everyone had a great day. Tomorrow's a new day. It's starting to rain, so that sucks. But we'll see what we can get into tomorrow.